Hi all, I'm Ankur Gupta and welcome back to Analytics School. Now this particular session is for those who are either beginners or for those people who are transitioning from some other field to data analysis and they do not have any idea about what Pandas is, what does it do, what is limitation, why it is so popular. So let's get started. What is Pandas? Pandas is one of the most popular open source data exploration library that is currently available in Python ecosystem. It gives its users the power to explore, manipulate, query, aggregate, and visualize tabular data. Pandas will be a major tool of interest throughout the course, and it consists of data structures and data manipulation methods to make data cleaning and analysis fast and easy in Python. So that is what Pandas is. But why Pandas? Today there are dozens of Python packages and tools that are available. However, there are many aspects of Pandas that make it an attractive choice for data analysis, and they are: it integrates well with lot of other Python libraries such as NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Stats Model, Scikit-learn, and whatnot. Lots of functionalities. Means you can do anything. As I had already mentioned, you can manipulate, explore, aggregate the data, visualize the data, do basic statistical analysis. So there are a lot of functionalities in one particular package. Excellent community. If I'll say few of the tools or the programming languages have excellent community, then Pandas is one of them. You can compare it with Tableau, SQL, NumPy, or Scikit-learn, and Pandas. These are the five, I think, tools and programming languages and Python packages which have excellent community. If you need help, you Google it, and I'm pretty sure you are going to find the answer for your question very quickly. Why not NumPy? Actually, Pandas is built on top of NumPy, and Pandas adopts many coding idioms from NumPy. Moreover, all of the Pandas data is stored in NumPy arrays at the backend. However, there is one issue, and that particular issue is that NumPy, it works with only numerical data type, whereas Pandas is designed for working with heterogeneous data. And in real world, you do not have only numerical data. You are going to work with date also. You are going to work with text data also. You are going to work with numerical data. So it is a combination of all data types, and then you are going to do the analysis. And that is why Pandas is there. And another major benefit is that there are numerous formats of the data, such as CSV, Excel, JSON, XML, Parquet, collecting data from SQL and many others. Pandas has the capability to read in many different formats of the data and successfully converts into the tabular format. It is a good idea eventually to learn NumPy, but for most data analysis tasks, Pandas is a right tool. There is one limitation of Panda, that it can't handle more than 2-dimensional or 1-dimensional data. So that is the only limitation which I believe has of Pandas. For Python setup, I have already installed Anaconda on my system, and I'll recommend that because Python comes with it. Please do create a virtual environment and install these Python packages. It is very easy to install Python packages in Anaconda or in standalone Python software. These packages are Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, SciPy, and OpenPyXL. Later on, I will let you know if any additional packages are required. For the time being, these are the packages. Install them for this particular course. The dataset which we are going to work on is Tableau sample superstore dataset. Just Google it and you will find out that from where you can download it. It is a transactional dataset, and doesn't matter in which domain you are working, there are high chances that someday you will be analyzing that transactional dataset for your company. So that's it for today. See you soon. Thank you so much.